Okay, this is an order of operations foldable that I created. When you open it up, the first flap actually has the "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally" mnemonic device, and so this is in here and just explains, that you do parentheses, exponents, and continue in that order. After that, there's actually a step-by-step guide. So it says, step 1, parentheses. And it says, look at your math problem. Are there any parentheses? If the answer is no, move to step 2. If the answer is yes, solve the portion of the problem inside the parentheses first, then rewrite your problem. So it goes through step by step. It does parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, where it explains that when you're doing multiplication, division, that you work from left to right. It does the same for addition and subtraction. The back part of it has some tips for common things that students have problems with, like parentheses inside parentheses, multiple parentheses, exponents inside parentheses, and then lastly it has an example problem that has almost all of the different elements that an equation can have, and it goes step-by-step instructions and shows the entire problem worked out till you reach the final solution. Now you may have also noticed that there are QR codes on all of the different sections of this. And the reason for that is, if a student were able to scan this QR code with a mobile device, it takes them straight to a YouTube video that gives them a tutorial on each step or the entire problem, depending on which QR code they scan. So like this one for exponents, if they scan this QR code, they will see a video on what you do with exponents in the process of order of operations. Okay, I will put a sample of the YouTube video after this tutorial so that you will be able to see exactly what the QR codes take you to. So all your students would have to do, scan this QR code, and then they would see a video like this. Okay, when working my algebraic equation, I have already taken care of my parentheses, so I can cross out the P in my order of operations, and next I have the E, which stands for exponents, of which I have 1. 2 to the third power, which means 2 times 2 times 2. So what that means is 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So this becomes 8. I then bring down all the other terms in my algebraic equation, and I have finished the exponent step of this problem because there are no other exponents.